Your brain doesn't need fixing. It needs rest, recalibration, and simple habits to reset. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Modern life constantly puts your brain on alert. Screens, notifications, deadlines, and overstimulation keep your mind in survival mode. Your nervous system is running overtime, leaving you stressed, distracted, and mentally drained. Science shows there are practical ways to reset your brain and reclaim focus. Start with travel. Experiencing new environments expands your neural pathways and creativity. Laughing regularly uplifts your mood and signals safety to your nervous system. Music has a measurable effect on brain activity, improving focus and reducing stress. Hugging and human connection stimulate the vagus nerve, promoting calm. Meditation, sunlight exposure, deep sleep, reading, journaling, and phone detoxing all reset your nervous system naturally. Being in nature, taking digital breaks, stretching, and proper hydration also help your mind regulate and recover. These habits aren't just feel-good advice. They are backed by neuroscience and measurable results. Even small changes can make a difference. Take 10 minutes to journal, do a brief meditation, or step outside. Notice your heart rate slow, your muscles relax, and your mental clarity improve. Your environment matters too. Clutter, unfinished tasks, and disorganization increase cognitive load, keeping your brain on high alert. Decluttering your surroundings communicates to your mind that it's safe to focus and be productive. This is why my book, The Gift of Less, is so valuable. It's designed for adults 50+ who want to simplify life, reduce stress, and leave a meaningful legacy. Inside, you'll find step-by-step systems to declutter, organize, and reclaim your energy. Simplifying your home and life creates space for focus, creativity, and mental calm. Start with one small habit, add another. Over time, these resets compound. Your brain recalibrates, your nervous system relaxes, and your life feels more intentional. Take control of your environment and habits today. Your brain, your focus, and your energy will thank you. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next one.